So, good afternoon everyone. In last class we had seen till the draw tool, this line, polyline, circle, arc. We have similar tool like rectangle, polygon, ellipse and hatch. Okay. Next we have the modify tool. This modify tool we will see with the example by drawing an object. Okay. So, let me draw an object, a random object. For that, let me first set our page. So, for setting the page, go for the limit command 0 0, let me take 200 by 200 zoom. Okay. Now, we have set our page and it is ready to draw it. Okay. So, सुनाई नहीं दे Okay. So, let me draw a random object like take 200 . Okay. So, first command we have in the modify tool to move, it is obvious we can use it to move anything, like let me select this object, go to the move command, from after taking the move command you can press it and you can move your cursor, the object will move according to your cursor. Next we have the copy command, the same thing, we can copy the object, the selected object we can copy it and we can paste it in the number of times, as many number of times we need it we can copy and paste it. Next we have a stretch command, if we have a line or an object we can stretch it, rotate, the mirror command to mirror it. Okay. For mirroring we need to reference a line, according to that line the object will be get placed. Okay. Scale it. Now, come to the trim command, here we have some useful, these are the general we can do in normal ways, but here we have the trim command, fillet and array. Okay. We will look this. See, by trim command we can trim it. We can trim a line, a point, anything till the next boundary. There is one erase command also. Here it is a erase command. So, what the difference between the trim command and erase command is, erase will erase the full line, the line whatever we have drawn, the full line will get erased. But as we go for the trim command, it will cut your line or delete your line till the next boundary. Like that we had a, see, we have a line here, this is a full big line, but when we select the trim command it will trim till the next boundary only. Okay. Next we have the fillet. In this fillet we have the three other, fillet, chamfer and blend curve. Okay. So, how to use fillet? First select the fillet command, say it is asking for the radius, put R, define the radius, because we have to fillet means it will make a curve. So, a curve, if it is a curve, we have the radius, it have obviously it have a radius. So, let me give the value of radius 10. Okay. Now, it is asking to select the first object. Okay. Now, select the second object, it will curve. Okay. Similarly, we have chamfer. As we have used the fillet command, we can use the chamfer and blend curve also. Okay. Array command is used to make a number of copies for the selected one. In a array, we have three different kinds of array: rectangular array, the things will get copied in a rectangular format, the path array and polar array. Okay. Now, I have set a new page. Okay. Let me draw the same whatever I had drawn through the different type. Like first I had drawn through the line, we can draw it through polyline also. We can draw it through the rectangular. Since it is a box like a structure, we can draw by using the rectangle tool. Okay. If it is a rectangle like this, okay. Next, from here we can draw a rectangle, and if you need more, again you go and just select the same tool and you can. Okay. And further, if we need, we can trim it, the internal one, this line, this line. Okay. We can fillet it by setting the radius like 10 and select it, whatever you will select, it will change into a curved path. Okay. Next, we have the chamfer. Let me do one chamfering also. I have selected the chamfer tool. Okay. It is asking for the distance or distance or angle. Okay. So, give A for the angle. Let me set 30 degree as angle. Okay. Now, I am selecting the first line. Okay. Now, this is the second line. See, it have been chamfered. Okay. So, by using these tools, we can draw several types of object as per our requirement. Okay. I think everybody having this manual. Okay. Is it there or not? So, let me do one thing. See this is in the page number 10. Okay. I am going to draw this object as an example. Okay. This one is the top view and this one is the front view. Here side view is not given. So, let me draw this object as an example, so that you can understand how to draw these lines, how to dimension it, and how to draw this chain dotted line, hidden line, everything. Okay. Let me set our page first. Okay. I've set my page. So first I am drawing this line. This is a curved path, but this is a straight lines. So let me draw first this the straight lines. Okay. You may see it. Okay. Now we will go to the arc, and we can select the, we have the start, end and the radius to draw it, because the radius value has been specified here as 25. So as per our requirement, we have the start, one, we have the end, and we can specify the radius. So this tool will be suitable for us, start, end and radius. So I am taking this as start, end and radius value 25. Okay. In next step, we have a circle, okay, of dia 20. So take a circle of diameter, just draw it here and set dia 20. Okay. You just see here. Okay. Dia is 20, for this radius was 25 for the outer one. Next we have to draw this box, okay, these two boxes. After that we will draw this dotted line and chain dotted line. Okay. So take line command, drag it down, and we have 10 value. So from 10 you have to bend it, it's alonging till 40. Next close it. Okay. Similarly here also we have to draw the value of 10, 40, and again close it. Next we have to draw this chain dotted and dotted line. Okay. So for chain dotted and dotted, first we will draw the solid line, continuous line. Okay. After that we will go to the property and modify to the whatever the required line type we need. So I have taken the line command, I have gone the center of it. Okay. I am following this green path to drag a line. Okay. Let me draw it. Okay. Next thing, one more thing you should know. See, this is an offset command. Offset means we can shift our line right, left as per the distance we required. So by let me explain this offset command by the application. See here, I have taken the offset command. Okay. It is asking for the distance. So we have given the distance 10. Okay. Next select the object, it have gone offsetted here. Again the same, we can do repeat offset. see here, this chain dotted line is a big one, but the dotted line is a small one. So, we can do the trim. It is showing a full straight line. So, we can explode it by selecting it, just select it and explode. So, it will break into the parts. It's not happening. Let me draw it a line. So, from 10 we can draw a line better. Okay. Again take a line from here, uses 10. And draw it. Okay. The similar thing we can do here also. Just take the center part of it, follow the green line and draw a line for the chain centered, and just give the value of 10 and drag a line like this. Okay. Next, here also we have the chain dotted. So, we have to draw it, take the line, go to the center and follow the path. Next again go to the line, follow the center. Okay. What? I will do it. Wait. Okay. Now go to the layer property. Okay. Just create a new layer. Here press on the continuous, go to the load button. Okay. We have several lines here. So, let me select this centered chain dotted line. Its name is centered 2. Okay. I am selecting it. Here also I have selected. Let me change its color. Okay. We have created a new layer of chain dotted. We can create one more layer for the dotted line. So, see the hidden line, select this hidden line. Okay. Change the color to the red. Okay, now close it. The line we needed to draw the chain dotted, this 4 lines was. Okay. So, now go to the layer. We had a layer, this layer we had created a chain dotted. Okay. So, now see, it has been created to the chain dotted. You may say this line is we have continuous line, but if you check it, its property has been changed to the see the property of it. Its property is already changed to the line type of chain dotted, but it is not visible here. Why? Because it is too small. We cannot, it is not able to finish a one instant of line. Okay. That is why it's looking like a continuous line. Okay. It has been converted to the chain dotted, but it's not visible because it's too small. Okay. Next one, we have to convert it the dotted line. Select the line which we require to convert into the dotted one. So, this 4 we required to be the dotted one. So, we had created this layer, okay, is not it? Okay. So, this was the top view. Okay. Next, we have to draw the front view. So, let me drag it to small. See this object first. We have to draw this one as a front view. So, we will start from here. Since it is a line, we can draw it a continuous one till here. After that, we will go for the arc. Okay. Next, we will draw this circle. After that, we can go for this dotted and chain dotted line. So, let me do it. Select this line, just follow this green line. Okay. In drawing through pen pencil, you may have projected line. Okay. Here we have the path to draw it. So, its dimension is 40. Next, we have the dimension of 100. Next, we have 20, 60, and this will be the 20. Okay. We can go with this curve also, and we have another option. We can go to the circle and choose 2-point circle. Just select this 2 point and one circle will get drawn, but we do not require the full circle, we require only arc. So, go to the trim command and erase it. Okay. Now, go to the circle one with the diameter, just by clicking here you just set the diameter as a 20. Okay. Now, we have to draw the dotted and chain dotted line. So, go to the line, this is a line, press enter to come out from the command, again select line. Okay, this I have done. Now, we have we have this dotted line 1, 2, 3 dotted line and 1 chain dotted is remaining at 70 at the distance of 75. Okay. So, if it is 100, we can take it from this side 25. Okay. Next, we have to draw the dotted one. Okay. One is from here to here. From here we have the 10. You can do this offset from here. Offset we require the distance 20. I think this is somewhat wrong. You project it like this. Again, you may project it from this, or you can do the offset. Okay. Next, again select the line for the chain dotted and the dotted one. We required this 4 lines, this 3 lines has a chain dotted, okay, to the layer. This is the chain dotted, come out. This 3 we have to convert into the okay. Is it okay for everyone? So, next we have to draw the okay. So, go to the dim style, select the dim style, go to the modify, and you can modify it according to your use. Like we have the text style as a standard, text color whatever the color you need, like yellow. If it is the line you okay. Symbol we can change it, whatever the arrow symbol we required as per our requirement we can change it. Modify this arrow size to 3, okay. Text is also yellow, you can modify like the whatever the size you required, okay. Once you modify and close it, now go to the dimension, this tool, okay. Select the starting point and end point and drag it, okay. If you required from here to here, just drag it. From press it to the center. See, you can add like this. Okay. Okay. You can dimension it like this. You can change your dimension style by going to, going to the dim style. You can modify as per your requirement. Okay. Symbol, text, arrow, fit, as per your requirement you can modify it. Okay. You can even change the color of this line. Okay. Next we have to draw the side view, right side view. So, this type of side view will come, and after that you can project it the circle one and this. It is not given here. So, let me draw the another view, okay, another object. If you want to see the correct one, this will be looking like this, okay. How will construction line? Which construction line? See, just go to the line command, and wherever the corner it is, you just go to the corner. After that, if you are dragging it, it will show your path. So, after that you can follow it from wherever whatever the distance you have to use. After that, you have to draw your object. You can start from there. Okay. It will assist you. This line is to guide you. Okay. Okay. See, this 3 we have to draw during the lab. Okay. The third angle projection of this 3. So, better you just draw on your rough, that will be easy while you are drawing on the AutoCAD. So, first you draw on your rough note, bring it to the lab, then that will be easy in the given time. Otherwise, it will be somewhat difficult to manage your time. So, let me draw it this first one, this first object I am drawing it. Okay. So, let me set my page first. So, first we have to draw the top view, okay, or plan. So, top view is see from seeing the top, what we will see, a box like structure, okay, a rectangular structure. So, let me draw a with a length of, this will be the length 100, okay. So, this is the 100. Next, we have the width will be the 50. Next 100. Okay. If you are seeing from the top, this will also be visible, okay, with a thickness of width of 5. Okay. So, let me draw 5 clear. Okay. First we can draw it, after that we can trim it or we can modify it. Okay. Next we have the thickness is 50. So, go to the 50 and drag it like this. Okay. Next, go to the trim and just trim this. Okay. See this. Since it is a curve, okay. Since it is a curve, a thick line will be visible from the top one, okay. And if its radius is not given, so let me take it as a random line as a parallel to this and this, okay. To visualize it's a curved one. If its radius is given, we can plan according to that, we can go for the fillet one. Okay. But sorry, we can draw a parallel line according to the radius, according to the given radius. Okay. So, but it is not given, so just a draw parallel line of it. Here also, from this side also. Next we have to since we have the circle, this will be visible in the front view. So, the first let me draw the front view, after that we will draw the chain dotted line according to the circle one. Okay. So, project it down, the height will be 50, next we have 100, so now we have to draw one more line here or project this line. Now do a curve. Trim it like this. Okay. And here also one line will be visible, since this thickness is visible. Okay. So, we have a distance of 5. Okay. Let me draw the circle here. Of radius okay. Now we can dimension it, we can draw the chain dotted for this. Similarly, we can project it if not, we can offset it. Okay. Just go to the trim one and you can trim it. now you have to modify the layers. So, यहाँ पे since ये curve that I will clarify your doubt later. Okay, just let me complete it first. We have to create a layer. Change this color to the red. Okay, I think it was selected to all. Now we whatever the required one, we can change its layer according to our use. Okay. Now what will be the right side view? Just drag this. First change the layer. This will be 50. This will be 75. Okay. At 5 we have a line here. Again from here at 5 we have a line here. Okay. So after that you can dimension it. First go to the dim style. You can modify your dim style first. What? Okay. So go for the dim style. Modify the style. Whatever the symbol line type you required it. Okay. Just change the color to the whatever it is required for you. Okay. Symbol arrow size like 3. Okay. Now go for the dimension one and select it. Whatever the dimension you required, you can project it. You can modify the see. If you require to modify this dimension only, just go select it, go to the property, and you can change for only this specific dimension whatever you have applied. You can change the color, layer, if you require the dash line, dotted line, or whatever the line type, you can find it here. The color, you may add some prefix and suffix for the dimension also, like for the symbol phi is used for the diameter and r is for the radius. So, you can add it here. We have the prefix and suffix, so you can find it here. Okay. Here several types is there, so you can find it here. You can add prefix and suffix from here. It will be, see, dim prefix. Let me give add the grade, okay, and close it. See, the symbol has been initialized here. Okay. Similarly, you can add the prefix. The remaining will be the same in the same condition. The remaining have been not modified, but this specifically we have modified it. Okay. So, let me dimension it for the all. Okay. If you wish to see, you see here, I think this is the perfect drawing for the thing. Okay. I think I have missed this one also. Okay. You must see it. This one is the top view, front view and the side view for this. This has been given to your exercise, that to be drawn by yourself in the AutoCAD lab. Okay. So, be prepared for the lab and draw it in the rough. So, you can utilize your time in a good manner. After without drawing, if you will come, the time will be not sufficient to draw this whole thing in the, so in the AutoCAD. So, come with the come with your homework. Okay. So, I think time above. So, thank you for the today. Curve show करने हैं. If you are seeing this third angle projection and you have to draw the isometric view, how you will identify it as a curve? No, one thing. That should be the dotted one. We can do it like dotted one. Okay.
Like over here, we are asking that why there is a thin line.
That is to identify this is a curve. So listen.
From the front view only.
If this is a circle,